Alright, gang, it's August 27, 2024, and the dogs I suspected would be on the kill list are on the kill list. So yeah, they're gonna kill them if we don't get them out of here. So let's take a look here. We have Thanos, Scout, Xavier, Emma, Hawkeye, Dinah, T-Chow, Hope, Shu Rai, Natasha. They're gonna kill them all, gang. So Apple Valley intends to kill 10 more dogs today, though they only have 56 dogs listed on their site. This morning, if the dogs are alive from over the weekend, then there are 22 lives on the line this morning. Yeah, it's this is a total fucking disaster. But this is Apple Valley; they don't give a shit. Let's take a look at this is the other group of dogs that will most likely 100% be killed today. Rosie, Mysterio, Vuitton, Louie, Sean, Stefan, those are siblings, or Kona, Bear, Buddy, Tank 2, Fendi, and Nissan. Yeah, so let's just do a quick run up. Owen, he'll be on the next kill day. Karev, Joe, Weber, Angel. Here's our kill list. Archer, beautiful Archer, look at that. Izzy, Miranda, Zola, Bailey, O'Malley, Lexi, Bruno, beautiful Bruno, Dorothy, unbelievable, gorgeous dog. So these dogs that you see that are not safe are on the kill list for today, for sure. Yeah. I still can't believe they killed Wilfred. Wilfred, what a beautiful dog. And you can see these other dogs that were not safe are on today's kill list. So maybe they got a day or two extra. Thank God these two got adopted. Beautiful dogs. All these dogs are just, you can't go wrong. You get a wonderful, wonderful dog if you go adopt a dog from this place. Anyway, gang, I gotta do this quick because it takes hours for this to load. So you know the routine. Networking page or call the shelter. We've gone through that before. It's on here somewhere. There's the phone number. There's the application. It's easy. Please get involved. They need help. Please. They will kill them all. They have a strong history of mass murder. Catch you on the next YouTube.